Hey guys, me Whitekin6, and I am going to be playing another game. Please just, don't pay attention to the background noise. I mean, it could be a fun song and stuff, but please don't pay attention to it. We are going to be playing Subway Surfer. I'm going to Hong Kong. So I need to go in a different room, but promise we're still gonna be together. I promise. Love this music. No updates. They already did an amazing job. I'm not sure if you guys know, but this is my favorite character. Let's go. I'm not really used to this because I haven't played this in a long time. And it's getting my glitch out because of how long I haven't played it. That's how long I haven't played it. In my glitch out. An R. Rio. Like Rio the Bluebird. Rio. Search Rio if you don't know, and then you'll see the Bluebird Rio. Oh my gosh. Why'd I do that? I'm eating candy cane, so just to boost it. If you guys haven't played this game already, go check it out. It's like the best game. It's called Subway Surfers. If you get these things, you could actually go up in the air. These actually, when you miss the monies because you're jumping, they actually suck at the money that you miss. It is also comprehended with, I don't know what comprehended means, so I'm not even going to use that word. It's also combined, great word use. It's also combined with trains and running away from officers. So if you like police, trains, artwork, and running, this is definitely the game for you. And collecting things, this is definitely the game for you. So go check this game out. It's the best game I've ever played, so I want you guys to experience it too. And yeah, let's just keep playing. I have not died, thankfully. No! See, I'm telling you. Jinx! I got 2 mystery boxes. I got monies. No. I gotta open this then. More monies. Gotta make my voice sturdy. Otherwise it will sound like this. What? No, something popped up on my screen and I was just like, what does this mean? You could also ride trains, but not go inside them. Just like go on top of them. And if you also like to like go on rooftops and stuff like that, this is definitely the game for you. This is the game for me. I love this game. If you like intense games, that keeps you boosting, keeps you going, dang it. This is make it like it's intense because you gotta keep on track, get the monies and like get the letters and like get all the mystery boxes and do all this, get new characters, but you can't let the like chief get you or like the police officer get you. So it's kind of cool. I like it. This is so fun, so I think you guys should download this game. Just my dad and my brother, they're just doing stuff together, so you shouldn't worry about them, but they're just there. Oh, I could collect all the monies now. Perfect timing. Just perfect timing. Look how much money I'm collecting. Bang! I have like this technique and like thing that I could collect all the money in my pathway. Like it's like unstoppable for me to stop. So it's kind of fun. Oh, and did I promise that jigsaw puzzle to be finished? I never finished it, did I? I'm gonna finish it in my next video. Tongue twisters. I'll finish it in my next video, I promise. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep my promise this time because I was just like, I gotta make a video about this game because that's how fun it is. Well, I guess that's it for today. Stay great, my little kittens. And I know I forgot to say this in the beginning. Subscribe if you haven't even. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below if you'd like me to do another video like this. And hit the bell so you know when I post a new video. Bye! I'll see you later. Stay great, my little kittens.